We are pleased to introduce our conductive polymer hybrid aluminum electrolytic capacitors. To begin, I would like to talk about the principle of capacitors. The schematic diagram illustrates the electrode basic principle of capacitors. Two metal electrodes placed on both sides of an insulator called a dielectric form a capacitor. This structure can store an electric charge when direct current voltage is applied between the metal electrodes. Capacitors can be classified, as in this chart, according to the presence or absence of polarity and the type of dielectric. The red box indicates the aluminum electrolytic capacitors and conductive polymer hybrid aluminum electrolytic capacitors produced by ELNA. With an aluminum electrolytic capacitor, a strip of electrolytic paper is sandwiched between two aluminum foil strips of anode foil and cathode foil and then rolled up. The electrolytic paper is then soaked with an electrolyte. The figure on the right illustrates the structure. The difference between conductive polymer hybrid aluminum electrolytic capacitors and aluminum electrolytic capacitors comes from the different types of electrolytes impregnated. While the electrolyte of an aluminum electrolytic capacitor consists only of a liquid electrolyte, that of a conductive polymer hybrid aluminum electrolytic capacitor is comprised of a conductive polymer and a liquid electrolyte. This conductive polymer used in combination allows for low ESR capacitors. Conductive polymer hybrid aluminum electrolytic capacitors feature high reliability, large current, and low noise. Using a conductive polymer, such as an electrolyte, allows them to be used in applications that require lower noise and a larger current compared with aluminum electrolytic capacitors. Since a liquid electrolyte is used in combination with a conductive polymer, the failure mode in the lifetime failure domain is the open circuit mode as with aluminum electrolytic capacitors. No special safety design is required in the circuit design. This slide compares the characteristics of conductive polymer hybrid aluminum electrolytic capacitors with those of aluminum electrolytic capacitors and conductive polymer solid electrolytic capacitors. Conductive polymer hybrid aluminum electrolytic capacitors, which uses an electrolyte composed of a conductive polymer and a liquid electrolyte, features low ESR, high ripple current, low leak current, and long life. The failure mode when a capacitor reaches the end of its lifetime is the open circuit mode as with ordinary aluminum electrolytic capacitors. Conductive polymer hybrid aluminum electrolytic capacitors featuring low ESR, high ripple currents, low leak currents, long life, and open circuit modes are widely used in automotive application modules, as well as in industrial equipment that supports social infrastructure, such as cellular phone base stations. Our product lineup of conductive polymer hybrid aluminum electrolytic capacitors includes vibration-resistant products that can withstand up to 30 G at a wide range of temperatures, from 105 to 150 degrees Celsius. For applications in high vibration environments, vibration-resistant products can withstand up to 30 G are available. In addition to cataloged items, various custom products are available on request. Please contact our sales representative.
Thank you for listening.